these swellings here. What are these swellings here? Lymph nodes. And these lines here between the node, the lymph vessels. You should also note that right behind this is not seen very well. You have to come closer to see later on. Right behind this, here, there is a big structure here. And the big structure here is cisterna chyli. Write down that name, you need to identify it. Cisterna chyli. From cisterna chyli starts this long duct. See the white color duct here? This white color duct here? This is thoracic duct. Write on that name, thoracic duct. And this thoracic duct goes on the back side like this. It will join with other lymphatic trunks. Do you see here internal jugular? See the internal jugular and subclavian? See this thing opening here? This is the right side. So write down, this is called right lymphatic duct, and this is the left lymphatic duct. Right lymphatic duct opening at the junction of subclavian and internal jugular. Similarly, on the right side, right lymphatic duct. So this is left lymphatic duct. Right, left. All right. Okay. Any question on this one here? Spleen, you know that spleen, right? This is spleen here on the side. Spleen. You can see also in that model the big torso on the side. Long structure, spleen. Here is this one here, spleen. On the side, left side of the stomach. You have two slides. The first slide is the lymph vessel, and just like in the veins, inside the lymph vessel you have the valves. And the purpose of valve is to prevent backflow, so that blood flows in one direction only. This is very easy to identify. You notice this valve here. So what is this structure here? Lymph valve. You can say lymph valve in the lymph vessel. Let's do the next slide. That is lymph node. I am in the scanning objective, lowest magnification. You can easily tell that this part here is the capsule. Inside the capsule, this outer part is the cortex. And this part here is the medulla. In the cortex, what is this thing here? What is this whole thing here? Lymph nodule, or you can say follicle. Lymph follicle. And in this lymph follicle, in the center, light color area, what is this? Germinal center. And in the germinal center, B cells they multiply. B cells multiply in the germinal center. in the rest of the follicle, you have more of T cells. In here in the medulla, you have more of macrophages, dendritic cells, all those cells. Remember we did today antigen presentations?
So you said where were the T cells?
T cells, in germinal center has more of B cells.
Okay.
Outside this rest of the follicle.
Okay.
Is that good? That will be it. Okay. Yes.
Could you repeat where it's in the medulla?
Yeah. Cortex is always the outer part because this is capsule. Like in adrenal gland, for example. This is capsule. This must be cortex. This cortex, then away from this thing here is the medulla. Anything else? So you can review your veins and arteries and structure of the heart.